Welcome back, viewers. Let's get our attention back on COVID because the cases continue to rise. The active cases count has crossed the 4,000 mark in the country. 5 deaths have been reported in 24 hours. Kerala has the highest caseload at 1,416 cases, followed by Maharashtra at 494 cases, Gujarat, Delhi, West Bengal and Karnataka as well, crossing the 300 mark. These 6 states are responsible for about 80% of the total active cases. They account for about 80% of the cases. Doctors say that there is no reason to panic, but advise caution. The surge in the cases this year has been driven by 4 of these variants, some of them also now currently under review. My colleague Arpita is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Arpita, the number of cases in Kerala is significantly higher than the other states. What are the precautions being taken? What is the update?
Well, Kerala has reported the highest number of cases with over 1,400 cases reported from the state. Now, the health ministry has clearly given an advisory to people where elderly people and people at risk are advised to mask up while they are at public places or while they visit hospitals. And in fact, hospitals have also been advised to ramp up with RT-PCR test kits, and they are asked to test patients even if they have minor symptoms of COVID or any flu-like symptoms. If they have, they are asked to get tested.
Kerala has mentioned as well that there is a very robust testing mechanism that it has in place, which is why the numbers are more. They have said precautions need to be taken. The same advice that doctors have given as well. Stay with us. Let's get our viewers updates from Maharashtra as well. 2 more COVID-linked deaths have been reported in Maharashtra. The state toll has now risen to 14 since January. Maharashtra has added 2 more COVID-19 related deaths, taking the cumulative total in the state to 14 since January 2025. My colleague Rucha is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Rucha, what more information do you have? Are these fatalities reported from patients who also had comorbidities? What are the details?
So far we have in Maharashtra 510 cases which are active COVID cases, out of which many are not severe is what the health ministry is saying, and the deaths which were reported until now, 14 deaths have been reported since January, and 2 new deaths were added to the list yesterday on Tuesday, and one of them is from Sangli's Miraz and the other is from Chandrapur. Now these are the rural areas of Maharashtra. Most of the active cases are from Mumbai. Yesterday also there were 86 cases, positive cases reported from Maharashtra, out of which 26 are from Mumbai. It is alarming for Mumbai citizens, but the government continues to say that there is no need to panic. These are the cases of comorbidities. The people, the 14 deceased who have been diagnosed with COVID are not directly, the deaths are not directly caused due to COVID-19, but the disease had already been suffering through other medical conditions and were also tested positive in COVID.
Okay.
Now the government is urging people and is assuring people not to panic, and this is...
don't panic, take precautions. That's the word coming in from the doctors and authorities. Thank you for joining us with those details. Let's get our viewers more breaking updates coming in. A concerning update. Authorities in the United States have just exposed a dangerous biosecurity nightmare that's unfolding on American soil. The FBI has arrested 2 Chinese nationals, scientists, who allegedly smuggled a deadly fungus into America. Probe officials are looking into it as a case of biological pathogen being smuggled into the United States by Chinese nationals. The FBI director, Kash Patel, has taken to social media platform X and said, and I quote, "I can confirm that the FBI arrested a Chinese national within the United States who allegedly smuggled a dangerous biological pathogen into the country. The individual is alleged to have smuggled a dangerous fungus, which is an agro-terrorism agent, into the United States to research at the University of Michigan, where she works. This fungus can cause a disease called head blight, a disease of wheat, barley and maize and rice, causing significant health issues in both humans and livestock. It is responsible for billions of dollars in economic losses worldwide each year. Evidence also indicates that loyalty to the Chinese Communist Party had also been indicated by this very student. My colleague Rishabh is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Rishabh, the United States has spoken of a biosecurity nightmare, a breach that has taken place in the United States of a fungus that could have been, that could have had catastrophic effects. That's a claim that has come in from the FBI chief. What are the details?
Well, what we are given to understand that a 33-year-old John and a 34-year-old Yu has been arrested by Federal Bureau of Investigation in the United States in Detroit. What they are charged with, they are charged with conspiracy to create biological disorder in United States. What we are given to understand that they are accused of smuggling a virus from outside to United States that could hit, the crops like wheat, barley and maize, and further create biological issues in human as well as livestock. What the FBI Director Kash Patel has also confirmed on his social media profile on X that both these individuals who are from People's Republic of China have, alleged, aligned to the Communist Party, and
but the question also remains, how was it brought to the country? What are the bigger implications that it will have? A lot more to speak about, but we have to leave it at that. Rishabh, my apologies. Thank you for joining us with those details. Quick break. We'll be right back.